Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to replace text with a blank cell in Google Sheets. This is perfect for cleaning messy data, removing unwanted words, preparing reports, hiding specific values. Let's do it. Method 1. Find and replace. Fastest way. Let's say your sheet contains data like this, and you want to remove the word pending. First, press Ctrl plus H. Mac, Command plus Shift plus H. Now, find pending. Replace with, leave, blank. Then click Replace All. Now all instances are removed. Done. Method 2. Use substitute formula. If you don't want to permanently change the data, in B2 enter this formula, which you can find below the video in the description. This replaces the word with a blank, but keeps your original data safe in column A. Drag down to apply to more rows. Method 3. Replace partial text. If a cell says Order pending, use this formula. Result. Order. Method 4. Replace multiple text values. To remove multiple words, we use this formula to solve that problem. You can stack as many substitute functions as needed. Bonus. Remove extra spaces after replacing. Sometimes blank replacements leave double spaces. Wrap with trim in the formula like this. This keeps everything clean. Important note. Find and replace permanently changes your data. Substitute keeps the original data intact. Choose based on what you need. That's how you replace text with blank in Google Sheets. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.